I'm an introvert person, but I'm working on my communication skill group work. What I am doing that I am taking part in my fests. Means I'm actively taking part in my clubbing activities and fest. I'm trying to give some speeches. I'm trying to perform a drama, and I'm also trying to perform dances.
Hi, welcome back to another episode of Casual Talks, where we discuss about our future, talk about our feelings, and discuss on many things. So today I have with me one of our students, Jahidul, who is preparing for IELTS, but he started from the very basic because he wants to learn a lot. And my name is Mehdi Hassan Shobon, as always. So in this video, what we're going to do, we left behind our talk on a point, so we're going to start on that point.
Yes, sir.
So today we're going to discuss about skills to have for our better future as students. So I asked Jahidul that he thinks that it is more practical to learn English, or what was the point? I forgot.
English is the most practical subject that I have ever seen.
Okay.
And
engineering. So he compared it with engineering. That's why I got very interesting, and I want to know his thoughts. So Jahidul, why do you believe that English is more practical than engineering?
Well, sir, it has. We don't. After learning English, we don't have to do so many things. Like after learning engineering, you need to find the field where you can apply it. But after learning English, you just talk with anyone, and it happens. So it is practical. But to learn engineering, you have to do a lot of things. Buy stuffs like if you want to make a PFI panel, so you have to buy magnetic conductor relays. Expensive, sir. It's very uncomfortable to bear this amount of money to make something.
Okay. So that's why English is more practical.
Sir, I want to share a story from one of our brother
sure.
who has also completed his diploma from Rajshahi Polytechnic Institute, but somehow he didn't get a chance to do it. So what he did, he went back to Rajshahi and started taking honors at English in Borobudur University. So we were stunned that why are you taking English honors right now? So he told me that engineering is most impractical thing, sir. Where you will apply those laws and formulas. We are learning plenty of formulas.
Okay.
Where we will apply it? Is there enough field? And industry has evolved a lot.
Okay.
Far more better than we think. I mean, within 10 years, the technologies will evolve so much, like apes to human kind of thing.
So do you think that your knowledge will get behind?
Yes, sir. I do think, and it will, sir. AI is taking rapidly. We don't even think about that.
Okay. So that is
that was
a bit scary.
Scary things.
Yeah.
No, not for me, for every field, sir. Doctors are even using ChatGPT write their prescriptions. I don't think that that's bad, but it's actually good in a good way. But
how do you know this? Doctors are using.
Oh, sir, I have seen news that a lady doctor, is trying to write some prescription using ChatGPT. That he gives the symptoms of a disease to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT replied that it can be this disease.
Okay, so that is a bit scary too.
Yes, sir. This is bit scary to white collar jobs.
Mm-hmm. So as this came up, that engineering sector is not very practical.
Yes, sir. This is not practical.
And one more thing, today's topic is very relevant, as engineering is not practical, according to you.
Yes, sir.
So we must need other skill sets.
Yes, sir.
To do good and well for a better future. So communication is one of them.
Yes, sir.
And we're working on it.
Yes,
right? As we're learning English. So can you think of any other skill apart from communication? What can help us for brighten our future?
Sir, group work.
Group work.
Especially if you look at bigger companies like Meta, Google, they accomplish jobs in a very small groups. So Teamwork, sir. Teamwork is going to be the best skill. I think I should, as our industry or our education industry made us nerds. Remember everything.
Okay.
What will you do after remembering so much laws?
You
when you
cannot
don't
even remember it for life.
lifetime.
Yeah. After the exam, we tend to forget everything. right?
Everything, sir. We just
Okay.
vomit in the, in the exam
note.
papers.
Yeah.
So, there is no point of this.
Okay, so you mentioned teamwork. Okay, so to maintain a good team, someone has to be a leader.
Yes, sir.
So leadership is one more skill
One more
to have.
skill to have. A must skill to have, because industries are not taking that much graduates right now. So
Yeah.
opening a new business and in an engineering field or new field, that will kick, sir. I think.
Okay. So on that point, I want to ask you that how can you improve your leadership skill?
Sir, teamwork, sir. Especially, I think that I was a nerd. I'm an introvert person, but I'm working on my communication skill, group work. What I am doing, that I am taking part in my fests. Means I'm actively taking part in my clubbing activities and fest. I'm trying to give some speeches. I'm trying to perform a drama, and I'm also trying to perform dances as well.
Dances?
Yes, sir. So that my shameness will die.
Okay.
At a point.
So that is an interesting trick. Can
Yes,
you do steps like?
No, I'm not. I'm trying to learn. One of my friend is a very good dancer. He's
Okay.
teaching me that you first move like that, then move like that, hand movements like that.
Okay.
So this is how I'm.
You never told me about your dancing skills.
No, sir.
I want to see
For
that.
our fest, it is a must. So I thought it was a very good opportunity to break my fear,
Okay.
to speak or dance, to do any kind of activity before
Okay.
public.
Okay, so you're breaking your fears.
Yes, sir.
Of public.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how you're developing your leaderships is by working in a team.
Yes, sir.
Have you done any leadership or leader some kind of project that you have to do manage the team or something?
Sir, not specifically, but sometime our university divided us into parts. As we are 13 persons, so they broke us 5. And as I am interested in teamwork, so I took the responsibility to take the instruments from the labs and communicate with our teachers, and then took their sign. It's hard, but somehow
You are doing it.
somehow I'm doing it.
Okay, so from your talking, from your speech, I understand that to become skillful, you need to be fearless.
Yes, sir.
Meaning you need to go ahead and face your fears
Yes, sir.
thoroughly. Because I'm saying that to you, the reason is it feels to me that you are an introvert person and you know that you are introvert.
Yes, sir.
So to remove that personality from your life, you are trying actively to involve yourself in many things. Okay, so that is a skill.
Yes, sir.
So
I think.
what can you label that skill as? Your behavior or your personality shift?
Well, sir, first of all, I really don't want to remove my introvertness. I want to change my fears.
Okay. What do you mean by changing fears?
Means, as public speaking, I'm not good at it. First of all, when I spoke in front of public, my legs were shaking, my brain was like blasting.
Not braining.
Not braining. The hormones forget their duty, what to do and not to do.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to be introvert as a person. I really don't want much friend circles. I think it will kill my time. Time is very precious. I'm just trying to break my fears. I just want to do group activities or group studies as well, so that it interests me.
Okay.
I don't like to be around people a lot, sir.
Okay.
And I do label myself as an introvert person, but I don't think that I'm that much introvert person who can't do any work.
Okay.
But I will do like long.
Okay, so that doesn't mean that you're introvert. That could be that you have symptoms of introvertness.
Yes.
Introvert is someone who.
Never talks.
Yeah, right.
I was the person before
Okay.
my admission, but right now I have to deal people as I've come to a different city. I really didn't know anyone, and I didn't have friends during my admission as well. So it was a bit suffering. So I'm trying to make some good friends.
Okay.
A very few.
Okay. Okay, that is a good decision.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we talked about leadership, communication skill, teamwork, and do you think there's any other skill that you might want to earn
Sir,
or get to for your better future?
Sir, I do want computer-related soft skills
Oh.
like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint,
Okay.
and some Drive. Or
Okay,
Google.
this will help you for your job.
Yes, sir. No,
purpose,
sir.
huh?
It is must. Without this,
Yeah.
you won't be able to get a job.
Right. I know. This is a must.
Must for
every
as
job.
you are a professional. You know
Yeah.
far more better than me.
Yeah, it's a must. And the funny thing is that in our university, school, college, nowhere they teach this. But when you go to apply for a job, you must know this
No,
skill.
no,
So
this
they
skill.
don't really give you that knowledge about it until it's too late.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to share my funny incident
Yeah.
that I went to university and there was a lab and a Buetian professor, means, our professor, but
Yeah.
he graduated from Buet. So he asked me, Jahid, do you know how to calculate complex engineering problem in Excel? I said, sir, I'm afraid that I won't be able to. But our teacher told me that you should. He provoked me, sir. Like, why you don't know? It was supposed to learn by yourself. We are not going to teach, but I will tell you that it's going to need. Did you seen any industry who is solving problems in paper?
No.
No, taking their data in papers? No.
Yeah.
It was supposed to be in the computers. So you should have this. And as I don't have a touch typing speed, so my professor said to me, do it right now. How will I?
Okay, so that you don't have any skill about that. You
No,
don't
sir.
have any knowledge about that.
Yes,
But the
sir.
professor is telling you
Telling
to
you.
do. But I think that it should be something that we should have it in our education or academics as well. Because what happens after most of students graduate, they don't have this skill. They go to other institute for learning how to
these
use
things.
the computer, Microsoft's Office all together. Yeah, computer skill is one of them.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this was our video on skill sets to have for better future. So hope to see you in the next video, and I hope I'll see Jahidul in our casual talk a little bit more.
Yes, sir.
And,
Inshallah.
Inshallah. And thank you for being with us. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time.